Trusting a website that you are using is an important part of the process of earning Bitcoin online. There are many skippers out there looking to steal your money. We must avoid those local gators on the capitalist. And now we're about to cover a new way of making free Bitcoin online. I'm talking about $300 per day. This will be a 2022 update that requires no investment on your part. If that sounds cool, then like, subscribe, and comment below. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. To give you an idea of how bad this problem is, consider that advertisements and trackers consume up to half of the average user's mobile phone data. Fortunately, there is a way to take complete control of the advertisements you see, which means you'll be in charge 100% of the time. What's more, you'll be compensated for your time and attention, as I'll explain more in detail. For now, I'd like you to head on over to Brave.com, the primary resource we'll be using today. This is essentially a browser like Google Chrome, but it has some very particular features that set it apart. They care about your privacy, which is important, even if you don't think you do. Here's a quick comparison of Brave B and Chrome B. In addition to protecting you from trackers and intrusive ads, Brave also safeguards you from malware and phishing attempts, so you can surf the web with peace of mind. However, the security features are merely a bonus. Our primary goal is to make money, so we'll focus solely on the Brave reward system to automatically accumulate BRT. If you look at the historical chart, you see some incredible increases. The price of this browser was only $0.2 not too long ago, and I remember making videos about it at that price. If you had followed my advice then, you would have made a lot of money. However, it is never too late to invest in technology, and as you can see here, Brave is constantly innovating and improving the browser and the quality of its users' experiences. But before we proceed, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let's get back to the video. Even if you're still skeptical and insist on using Chrome, you must still benefit from connecting to search.brave.com. This will have the same effect as downloading the browser, and you won't have to change your current habits. If you click the link, the file will be downloaded to your device and ready for installation. If you'd rather not use a computer or be glued to a screen all day, you can get the same app from Google Play. It's called Browser Brave, and it's received over 600,000 reviews, so it's likely that you've heard of it. Based on these reviews, the app has a 4.5-star rating, which is a strong indicator that its users appreciate its usefulness. Earn for seeing privacy-respecting ads, and just take a look at the reviews here, no ads and nonsense if you know how to use it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Guys, I promised that we're going to earn Bitcoin, so let's do that. If you go to any decentralized exchange, like letsexchange.io, you'll see this option there that allows you to exchange any cryptocurrency. At this point, you should be able to type in the name of the token you have just earned, which is the basic attention token, and you'll see that it's available on different blockchains, including the "it's not right that this is the quickest browser I've ever used across all of my Mac, iOS, and Windows gadgets." But here's the key aspect that most people miss. As the platform's popularity grows and more money is invested in it, the price of the bad token rises. Take a look at that, guys. Despite its recent decline, I continue to believe that Bitcoin has enormous potential for growth. Its present value is at $47,000 compared to its all-time high of $65,000 or thereabouts. If you're already making attention tokens in your day-to-day life, it may be the best to switch to them for the time being. If you're interested in earning money without making any initial expenditures, all you have to do is download the Brave browser and connect to the Brave network. What are you waiting for? There are no fees, no deposits, and the highest levels of anonymity online with this tool. So why not give it a try right now? So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please click the like button below. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online, feel free to watch our other videos. Since I post new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new one is available. As always, I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in our future videos.